Want to grow on YouTube without ever showing your face? Thousands of creators are doing it, building massive, profitable channels anonymously. How? They follow a proven system. Today, I'm giving you that exact blueprint. Forget expensive gear or being on camera. The biggest YouTube opportunity right now is for creators who want to stay behind the scenes. I'll show you 15 faceless video ideas that work. No camera, no mic, just strategy. Ready to build your anonymous YouTube empire? Let's go. First up, motivational quotes. A timeless, high-traffic niche. This can be almost fully automated. Use AI to generate quotes and voiceovers, then pair with cinematic stock footage. Build a content machine that inspires people daily, all without showing your face. Next, meditation and sleep sounds. Videos that run for hours and rack up huge watch time. Millions seek relaxing sounds and visuals to unwind. Use royalty-free audio like rain or ocean waves, pair with calming visuals and upload. This is passive content creation at its finest. Book summaries tap into the popularity of bestsellers. Millions want the key ideas fast. Read the book or summaries, script the takeaways, use AI voiceover, and add simple graphics. You become a go-to source for knowledge, all faceless. Screen recording tutorials are evergreen. Teach anything on a computer and people will watch. The screen is the star. Just record your process and add simple voiceover or text. Create once, and your video keeps working for you. List videos, top 10s, top 5s, work in any niche and are irresistible to viewers. Write your list, add images or clips, and use a voiceover or AI voice. These videos drive massive engagement and shares. Reviewing AI tools is a goldmine. New tools launch weekly and people want guidance. Record your screen as you test features, add a voiceover, and compare tools. Position yourself as an authority in a booming industry. Crypto and stock updates are in high demand. People want fast, clear financial news. Use on-screen graphics, charts, and headlines with a voiceover or AI narration. Build trust and monetize with affiliate links or paid newsletters. Celebrity news channels thrive without ever showing a face. Gather trending stories, script them, and use voiceover with photos and clips. This model lets you capitalize on trends and produce multiple videos daily. Gaming highlights are huge. Curate the best plays, fails, or moments from popular games. Edit clips together, add music or effects, and focus on a specific game or theme. No camera needed, just great editing and curation. TikTok compilations let you ride viral trends. Curate the best clips around a theme. Add faceless reactions with voiceover or text overlays for transformative content. It's a simple way to make engaging videos from already popular content. Slideshow videos, quotes, tips, facts are fast and easy to make. Use tools like Canva to design slides, add music, and export as a video. Batch create a week's content in an afternoon. Podcast-style shows with AI voiceovers let you create deep-dive content without recording your own voice. Write a script, use an AI voice, and add simple visuals or waveforms. High-value, scalable content, no mic required. Faceless reaction videos work. React to trending content using just your voice or text. Play the video, add your commentary or animated text, and keep it transformative. Build a community around your unique perspective, all off camera. Compilation edits, fails, wins, satisfying moments are addictive and viral. Curate the best clips, edit for rhythm, and add music or effects. Proven formula for huge view counts, all faceless. Product reviews can be faceless. Use screenshots, official videos, and B-roll. For software, record your screen. For physical products, use manufacturer media and voiceover. Provide value and monetize with affiliate links. No unboxing or camera needed. There you have it. 15 faceless video ideas you can start today. The only thing between you and YouTube success is action. Pick one idea, make your first video, and start learning as you go. You have the blueprint. Now it's your turn. Your audience is waiting.